Here I have SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to more modes, select slow-mo. So let's try record something in slow-mo. I'm gonna roll this flower right now, but in slow motion. So here we go. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So here we go. Whoa, absolutely badass. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.